Hey guys, welcome back. I haven't made a video in about a week, and that is only because I've had school. I was gonna make an unboxing video of a longboard which I ordered about a week ago, but I found out that they delivered it to the wrong house, the wrong address. You know, it's not even anywhere near where I live. So I've ordered another one. So I ordered it today, so it should come about Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, if you know. And let's just get on to this video. This video is a slow motion video, and it's like I'm popping a water balloon on the flue, and it's just, if you look at the picture on my thing, this thing, you know, editing software, it looks amazing. It looks amazing how the water just goes everywhere. You know what I mean? Like, and I've got this one where it's like it's just a balloon with like my whatever, oxygen, whatever it is. And I've got a pin and I'm popping it, but it fails a few times. So does this one. This one fails. It bounces all over the place. I'll put it in different speeds. It's like slow, and I'll put one in fast if you want. Yeah, I'll do that. That'll be fine. Okay then, enjoy the video. Thanks.
It's a burst. Burst. Oh shit.
Yes, I know I haven't got the best camera in the world for this type of video making, like slow motion videos and stuff, but it's all I can afford, so don't diss me for that, you bitches. Click that button right there. It says subscribe. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.